Hello mga mamshis! It's me again, Haina, your mommy baker, and this is my son, Adam. Kung bago kayo sa channel namin, please do like and subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming bagong videos. Yay! So, for today's video, i-unbox natin tong Busy Bee Box Learning Kit from Busy Bees Learninghive Inc. So, in-enroll ko kasi si Adam for this semester para for pre-kinder level. Ipa-flash ko sa screen yung details ng Busy Bees Learninghive Inc. para malaman nyo yung contact number and then yung kanilang address. So, let's start! Week 1 to week 7 na learning kits, and then meron silang COVID-19 special lesson kit. Diba? That's nice. So, aside from Bumble Bees Busy Box, meron siyang kasamang this one, may preschool learning pack. Guide for families for homeschooling. Ayan. So, nandyan yung mga details. And then, meron silang provided na daily lesson plans for pre-kinder. And teacher survival kit. O, diba? Ang ganda. Tissues, coffee, soap, hand sanitizer, tea bag, vitamin, chocolate, Pan-8, katingko, o bongga ng katingko. Tapos, face mask. O. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you on our next vlog. Bye! Say bye!
Bye!
See you!
See you!